imagination. Hello guys, today we are doing golden slime. Wow, it's amazing. Can you hear the slime? Inside squash, squidge, squeege, scratchy, squatchy, squidgy. Like scratchy, squatchy, squidgy, scratchy, squatchy, squidgy, scratchy, squatchy, squidgy, scratchy, squatchy. Wow, look at that back, guys. Look at that. You can mix all the colours. That's a rainbow. But this is gold. We can mix all this stuff I got into this golden shiny slime. So we got rolling pins, ice cream if you want to make ice cream, and some berries on the ice cream, and wow, and look, some glitter sequins, some buttons, and wow, some giant spoons, and some snakes. We got brown snake, green snake, yellow snake, pink snake, purple snake, orange snake, green snake, and blue snake. And some blue glitter to sprinkle it everywhere. Wow, and the spring to put all the slime in and do this. And we can see the funny noises and slime in it. Wait, look, I draw this happy face smiley on it. Let's get started, guys. I'm all ready now, guys. I rolled my sleeves up. Now it's time to pour the slime into the train of golden sequin slime. 3, 2, 1, go! Look at this. Yeah. So yuck. Oh, yeah. Wow, can you see that, guys? It looks like a duck ball. A duck slimy ball. Wow, look, it's all nice and squeeze there. Squadgy, squidgy, squadgy, squadgy, squidgy, squadgy, squadgy, squidgy, squadgy, squadgy, squidgy. Oh wow, look at my golden, shiny, sparkly slime. Should we say squidge, squash, squidge now, guys? Yes, squidge, squash, squidge, squash, squash, squidge, squidgy, squadgy, squadgy, squidgy, squadgy. And I'm going to bury my hand in the slime. Yeah! Guys, can you see the slime? Look, it's popping out my finger. You can't see my nails on my finger. Wow, look at these bubbles. They're so big. I don't have no hand. Where's my hand? I don't have a hand, guys. I just have one hand. I don't know where's my hand, guys. Where is it? Wait, what is that? Is that my hand, guys? My hand is... Wait, guys, look. Guys, so we add all the snakes in. Yeah. Time to add the big mommy brown snake in. Have to be really careful with these snakes. They're so scary. Oh my god, look, she got... Uh-oh, she got red eyes. Not good, guys. Oh no! Guys, look! The snake bite me! You naughty snake! Now she's crying! Wah! Wah! She wants a baby snake. So I hide all of them. Her mommy's still crying. No, she's not. She's happy now, aren't you? Slimy, stretchy, tricky. Slimy, stretchy, tricky. Slimy, slimy, slimy. Squeezy, squatty, squeezy, squatty. Guys, so we add glitter. Should we add some glitter now, guys? Yeah! Do we need to add some glitter? Because her mommy's crying and the babies are crying. Wow, guys, look! Guys, sparkly blue glitter! It's raining! Whee! Ooh, all the rain is on my hands. Should I turn my hands over? And what's going to happen? We are making all glitter go everywhere, guys. Wow, guys, look! Blue glitters everywhere! Do you like it, snakes? Yeah? Oh, the babies are so cute. Oh no, one of the babies are lost. Mummy, do you know where's your other baby? You're playing hide and seek? Wait, guys, can you see the blue on the plate? Oh no, look. They're covered in slime. What should we do? I know. Ooh, even the whale. Even the blue one are covered in yucky so much slime. Guys, can you see my hand? What? Oh my god! It's slime! Yes! This is perfect! What am I doing? Wow, guys, we're going to add some sequins. Silver sequins in my golden slime, guys. Do you like it? Yes, it's raining. It's raining stars! Now I'm going to put a spring into the slime and try to open it. Guys, is that fun? Yeah! Whoa! That was a snake. Did you not see that, guys? Was that amazing? Let's... Guys, look. That's disgusting. Wait, guys, let me just put the spring there. Ugh, that's disgusting, guys. Wait, guys, should I just... add some really cool pink buttons into my golden slime. Squidge, 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 squidge. Can you see my finger poking out from the side? Yeah, you can. Let's try do some bowling in the slime. Someone's making me some yucky dinner like some snake spring glitter dinner. Ew, that's disgusting. Roll, 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 roll. Now let's try the other roller. Rolly, 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 rolly. Oh, guys, look at that! Funny, look. Try and make a snake ice cream. Yes, yuck. Someone's making me like a snake glitter. A snake glitter. Snake glitter ice cream? What? That's something. Someone's making me chicken. I'm making me chicken ice cream. Wow, look. Wait, is that my ice cream you made with snakes in it? I want to do that. Ice cream cone! Get in! I want to eat my ice cream cone. Should I eat my ice cream cone? Yummy! Yuck! Wait, bye-bye guys! Subscribe and follow me on Insta! And if you want to see more of these golden sign videos, you can watch all of my golden sign videos, guys! Bye!